YouTube peeps, this is Nick. I've got another vlog for you today and I am here in sunny Chichester. It's supposed to be the last warm day in the autumn before it turns freezing. So I thought I'd come out here, out to the canal and make a vlog for you guys. A little recap, I've been working out a lot recently, so I thought I'd take a rest day today so I can come out here and film for you lovely people. And I also wanted to do a quick catch up on what I've been reading, as I've been talking about wanting to read more. So I've been reading this book, Vegan Bodybuilding Cookbook. Not so much reading it, more kind of looking through what new recipes I could be trying. It has some great alternatives to protein sources, since I've been trying to cut down on my meat intake anyway. All in all, it's a pretty cool cookbook for finding alternatives to your standard chicken, rice and broccoli bodybuilding diet. So I want to try and put some of those into action soon. The book also emphasizes the importance of vitamins and minerals in our diet as well. But the author offers an alternative to this. He says that although meat have a more concentrated amount of macronutrients in them, such as protein, there's also a lot of these macronutrients that are found in non-meat sources of protein as well. So, for example, quinoa is a complete protein. By this I mean it has a complete amino acid profile, but it also has other properties that are beneficial for health. And he also says that although a lot of vegan or plant-based sources of protein aren't necessarily complete proteins, if we were to combine these proteins, so for example lentils aren't a complete protein, but if we were to combine this with beans, then we're going to get the complete amino acid profile while also combining their protein content, which means we're going to get a complete protein source of food that we would get from a meat-based diet as well. So my friend got me this book and I think it's pretty awesome. I'm not looking to adhere to a vegan lifestyle, but I want to try and limit my meat intake in favor of a more kind of plant-based lifestyle. And I've been looking for alternate sources of protein that I can slowly add to my diet throughout the week. So that's some kind of interesting stuff that I've learned from reading that book. And I've also got some new meals to try, I guess. So the other thing I wanted to talk to you as well is my decision to increase volume during my workouts. Starting from yesterday, I increased my volume by probably twice as much. I would usually do, for example, for the upper body, a bench press, and that'll be it for my compound chest exercises. But yesterday I decided to couple it with incline bench press as well. Now, the reason for doing so is that my time under tension during the exercises is increased twofold. So the more repetitions we do per workout, obviously the more time under tension, which is going to increase muscle hypertrophy. Now, because obviously I can't maintain the same weight during each set, as I fatigue more, I go down a weight. So it's kind of like a drop set for the compound exercises. I would perform, say, 20 kilograms for 3 sets or 4 sets of 8 repetitions for the bench press. And when I go to incline, obviously I've now fatigued myself, I'm going to drop the weight down to, say, 14s or 16s. And then I'd go again for 8 to 12 reps. So there were some interesting results produced from an increased volume based workout, and that is I was way more fatigued than I would normally be. So I would be fatigued anyway from performing 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps with a single chest press exercise, but by increasing my volume up to 2 exercises for chest day, I'm really going to burn my chest out for that second exercise, which is kind of obvious maths, really. My goal from now on, I guess, my approach to fitness now would be to increase my volume. I wouldn't necessarily have to increase my weight to do so, because I can just increase the number of reps by going lower on the weight. But I'm hoping that by having more volume in my overall workouts, I'm going to break the muscle tissue down even more than I previously did, meaning more growth. So that's pretty awesome, right? So I'm now in the process of going from 1 to 2 compound lifts per muscle group. So for example, chest press, or standard chest press, to doing maybe 3 or even 4 compound exercises for that muscle group. For example, I could complete different variations of the chest press. I could do the decline chest press, incline chest press, and the flat chest press. That's 3 compound exercises for one muscle group in one workout. And all the time, because I'm fatiguing throughout the sets, I'm going to be dropping the weight down but going for high rep ranges and high volume, really burning out the chest. Same for shoulders. I could go from just doing a standard dumbbell shoulder press to going for the barbell variation, a standing barbell variation, to then a seated dumbbell variation, and then throw in some lateral raises as well. So there's an infinite amount of possibilities for this approach to workouts. I hope that from now on I'm able to make more growth. I know my chest is still feeling it today, this is why I'm not working out today, because I'm just burnt out all over. And I think it was very effective. So as long as I keep my nutrition in place and also keep going for high volume in my workouts, both for compound and for isolation exercises, then I think I'm probably going to make the growth that I so desire. So that about does it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it would be something slightly different doing it out in Chichester, out on the Chichester Canal, as opposed to doing it in my bedroom. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me, and also subscribe to my channel for future videos so that you can never miss another video about my awesome progress that I'm hopefully making. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.